If you just want a one-liner as what happened during Apple's 2024 developer conference, then they have announced 3 billion small language models which will be sitting on Apple's devices to power numerous features which will be in the context of AI. Apple has been lagging behind a bit when it comes to generative AI, but with this release and these announcements, they are trying to catch up. And let's see how much they succeed. While I dazzle your eyes with this Apple animation, let me give you a bit more overview as what has happened. So welcome to the channel, and I'm quite excited to share with you the latest innovation from Apple, which is called as Apple Intelligence, and I covered it in my last video a few days back when this news was leaked. This personal intelligence system is integrated into iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia, and it's packed with some amazing features. So, what is Apple Intelligence in simple words? Apple Intelligence is combination of multiple generative models that are specialized for everyday tasks and can adapt on the fly for your current activity. These models are built on a foundation of privacy and responsibility and are designed to empower users with intelligent tools. The foundation models are trained on Apple's AXLearn Framework, which is a new framework and that allows for efficient and scalable training on various hardware and cloud platforms. And the best part, these models are fine tuned for specific user needs and can dynamically specialize themselves for the task at hand. Apple uses adapters, small neural network modules that can be plugged into various layers of the pre-trained models to fine-tune their models for specific tasks. This allows the original parameters of the base pre-trained models to remain unchanged while tailoring the adapter layers to support specific tasks. When it comes to performance, Apple focuses on human evaluation as it's highly correlated to user experience. They have also conducted evaluations on both feature specific adapters and the foundation models, and the results are very impressive. In fact, Apple's models outperform larger models, including Pi 3 Mini, Mistral 7 billion, and Gemma 7 billion, and compare favorably to DBRX Instruct, Mixtral, and GPT 3.0 Turbo. So let me show you a few of the benchmarking information from their website. And this is primarily the whole pipeline which they have shared as how they have done it. It doesn't tell us much. It is very similar to what we see in all of the other models. If you look at this benchmark data from their website, which I will drop the link in video description, this shows you the ratio of good and poor responses for two summarization use cases relative to all responses. Summaries are classified as good, neutral, poor given the graded score across 5 dimensions, and a result is classified as good if all the dimensions are good, higher is better. And a result is classified as poor if any of the dimensions are poor, lower is better. And you can see that the Apple's models with adapter generate better summaries than a comparable model, and as I mentioned earlier, they have compared it here with 5.3. Going to the next benchmark which they have done, this is a fraction of violating responses for harmful content, sensitive topics, and factuality, and lower is better, of course. And Apple's models are robust when faced with adversarial prompt, and they have compared it with Gemma 5.3 and Mistral. The performance looks really good for Apple's model. If you look at this human evaluation, then again, this is the fraction of preferred responses in side-by-side evaluation of Apple's foundation model against comparable models on the safety prompts and other data. And human graders found that Apple model's responses were safer and more helpful. Let's check. So this is a safety prompt again, and then if you look at this one, this is a if eval benchmark where basically the instruction following capability that is measured with if eval for Apple's foundation models and models of comparable sizes. So all in all, seems interesting. It's a shame that we can't really use them. I don't know where these models are. I couldn't find them They haven't been released, so we can only test them out when they are out, and then we can tell what exactly these models are all about. So, but one interesting part is about these adapters as actions. So you choose the adapter action you want to perform and you use it for your own specific task on the Apple device. So I think developers are going to get more advantage of it by using embeddings or vector databases more than creating new adapters. Maybe it would be cool. Maybe if the developers could feed it to Siri or an internal assistant or function, and then that function does the job. I'm just thinking aloud here. Anyway, if you're a developer of Apple's devices, I'm very keen to know what do you think about this new release. Are you excited or you are just meh? So please share your thoughts in the comments. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps. Thanks for watching.